Hello everybody, it's now Thursday morning. Time for me to go home here soon, but just wanted to show this to you. There was all the talk about the emergency generator needing to be replaced on board, and originally when the ship was at sea, the two emergency generators were located on B deck, and you can see there's a little a horn capped exhaust pipe and some open ventilators there, vents on the side of the ship, and that's where the emergency generators were located. And the newer one that was installed in the Long Beach years was placed in that same compartment. But that generator, I guess, apparently was not repairable, and because the ship is now equipped with emergency ballast pumps, the demand for power is greater than what that generator could put out. They wanted to be able to remove any water intrusion from the ship in case there was a power outage on board. So that required a much larger generator, which would not fit into that compartment. So if you see the cables that are stringing down and they come onto shore here, and this, my friends, is the new emergency generator. Not sure what the capacity is, how many kilowatts it puts out. I'll have to look that up and find out. But there it is.